Ya Jolin la kwa TV kunan le di ben Dr. Adugubotu kibut kwed mukene malupe kilok mau berkawinye kun wera yamo ni Sherry Princess kachel ki boyfriend mamege gien guberutie ilok mekuo mau time ki eriaga ma jwaka ubino chumako lukuo man chilong ada palok man tika kwene wan tini an amita lok kachel kimego man ma kikwalo jeme mamege wek en ukonywa kong utiet borwa pien en bene chiki ngech matut ikom lok man.
That is not true.
Not true, eh?
It is never true because I personally also I asked the parent of Emma. I said, you know, this
Sherry Princess, yeah.
Princess? Yes, we know her as who? As a cousin, and the uncle confirmed the real cousin. That time, was only the mother's side people who are there. And then I asked them about the same. They said no. And this girl is very normal somewhere. People must be very frank and they have to talk the reality. What people create about someone is not good. Spoiling the name. What I know is that these people are relatives because I made sure I confirmed from the parents. They are true relatives. The other boy is a promoter for her cousin.
Which boy?
Emma. So they are not lovers as people talk. They are cousins. The mother to Emmy and the mother to Sherry Princess. They are one family. They're sisters. You see? I don't know what happened. And they kept saying, you know, when he came, they said, oh, Navana, you know, boys. That is how they started quoting those things. But I made sure I asked the mother and the father. They confirmed to me it's for our relatives. It is not, they are not lovers. No. And if she was affected, why did she not come here? Why did she not come here? If she was affected. I sat with the parents, both, except one person, the border. Their parents denied.
Who is the border? This one, the border?
No. The border. Outside. No. There's another one on red outside. This one, the parents came and pleaded to me that they are very sorry for what happened. They are ready to compensate. They know their child.